So I've got this air conditioner in for repair. It's a DeLonghi Pinguino. Totally dead. Nothing on the display up there. And after checking, we've got 240 volts coming in. And basically what's happening is there's a little switch mode power supply here, only very low power. And it gives a 5 volt rail and a 12 volt rail. And it's just dead. Nothing's happening at all. So got 3 options to get this going. 1, you replace this PCB. If you can find one, good luck. 2, you could wire in a 12 volt DC supply and a separate 5 volt DC supply into that, and that'll run. That'll work properly. Or the third option, we could bypass some relays and just have it running. And I have to speak to the customer. She wants me to bypass the relays because it's cheaper. So yeah, let's have a look around it. That's your evaporator fan at the top. And down here, you've got your scroll compressor and your condenser. That's where your high pressure gas goes through and gets hot. And there's the fan blower for that. And there's the exit fan. There's where it comes out. And that's your evaporator at the top. That's the coil that gets cool. Air gets sucked in there, cooled down and blown out the top. So basically all this is 2 fan motors and a compressor. So that's the relay for the compressor. On he goes. And then got 2 fan motors, which is relays are here. They've got different speeds, so I want to find out what's the maximum speed. So I've got this one. That's A speed. Okay, so that'll be the fast speed. That's the black wire. And there's a black wire on this one as well. That's the evaporator fan. Looks like there's 3 speeds on that one. Oh yeah. So, black wire on each one is the fastest speed. So what I'll be doing is soldering this board so we got power going to the black wires and power going to the compressor. That's it. So let's do some soldering.
That sticks. That.
Okay, so now it's all powered up. Bypass. So we've got condenser fan, bypass on setting 2 there. And then we've got this one, bypass on setting 3. And then we've got the compressor also bypass, just with solder. And yeah, bypassed it in 2 locations there because it's quite a high current. The compressor will draw a bit of high current, so I thought I'd give it 2 pass. But yeah, so now when I power it on, it should work. So hopefully when we put the compressor on, we'll see this one get cold and this one get nice and hot. So there's the scroll running. And it's all working. Cool evaporator, cold air, and you've got hot air coming out of there. Let's have a look on the thermal. Yeah. That's it running. Getting my hot condenser. Evaporator is evaporating at -1.5. Good.